In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks Online and successfully create and customize reports to suit your business needs. Starting off, we need to head on over to QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're in, look towards the left side of your screen to find the menu section and click on Reports. This will open a window where you'll see various report options available to manage and analyze your financial data. Next, you want to click on Standard Reports. This section contains all the reports related to your account. From here, you can select the report you wish to memorize. Make sure you select the one that best fits the information you're trying to capture for future reference. After choosing your report, find the Report Period option, which allows you to set the specific time frame for which you want the data to be displayed. It's crucial to ensure the dates you select accurately reflect the period you aim to analyze. You have to set both the from date and the to date to refine your data view. Once the date range is set, the next step is to configure the display of your report. Click on Display Columns By to organize your data columns according to your need. This customization feature helps you focus on the columns that are critical for your analysis. If you wish to streamline your report even further, click Show Non-Zero or Active Only. This option assists in adding or removing active rows or columns, ensuring your report stays uncluttered and highlights only relevant data. You can also compare the current report against another period. Click on Compare Another Period to see how your financials measure up over different time spans. This comparison can provide valuable insights into your business trends. An important detail to bear in mind during this process is your accounting method. Whether you choose cash or accrual accounting will determine how transactions are recorded, reflected in your report. Be sure to click on Accounting Method and select the method that aligns with your business accounting practices. Once your report is fully customized, you're now ready to view the complete report by clicking on Run Report. Take a moment to review everything to ensure it meets your expectations. If you're satisfied with the result and want to memorize this configuration, you should click on Save Customization. You'll then have the option to add a custom name for your report. This makes finding it later much simpler. Grouping the report can also be helpful, so use the Add This Report to a Group feature to keep everything organized. You may want to share your findings with team members or clients. Clicking Share will enable you to do just that effortlessly. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating your custom report has been saved successfully. Returning to the main menu, navigate to Custom Report, where you can now find all your saved reports stored neatly. This feature ensures your reports are easily accessible and ready whenever you need them.